Hey everyone, it's Rochelle, msroshposh. Oh my gosh, you guys, do you notice that I never ever say msroshposh? That's so weird. I just realized that. But yeah, I never say that. I feel weird when I say that. I don't know why I feel so weird. That is my channel name and that's my nickname. That's what everyone calls me, Rosh. But I just feel so weird saying Roshposh. But anyways, let me stop rambling. This is the look that I'm creating for you guys today, and I'm creating this soft glam look using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette. My palette looks raggedy because I've used it quite a lot. I've used it quite a lot already. I literally just realized the whole time I was talking, my tongue was blue because I just had a popsicle and it stained my tongue. So just in case you're wondering why my tongue was blue, that's why. But anyways, let me stop rambling and just jump right into this video. Now I already went ahead and filled in my brows a bit, so I'm just gonna go ahead and add a base all over the eyelid before I apply my eyeshadow. I love using concealer as a eyeshadow base, so I'm just taking my Nars concealer and I'm just applying this all over my eyelid. You can pretty much use any concealer to do this. Now, just to ensure that the concealer doesn't crease up and we lock it into place, I'm going to go in with some translucent powder. Any translucent powder will do. Alright, so I'm going to go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette. I got this like probably a week and a half ago, and look at my palette already. It already looks raggedy, but it's because they make this like, I don't even know what this is. Like, is it like, what do you call this fabric? Like a suede-like fabric on the outside. So the palette gets really dirty easy, but whatever, I don't really care. But I've used this palette so much already, you guys. Like, I love these shades because these are colors that I could use for like a really natural soft eye look, or I could do like a full-on glam, more dramatic look with this palette. But I'm definitely reaching for this palette quite a lot lately. Even when I'm doing like my simple, basic, super natural looks, like it's just, I love this palette. I love these shades. The first eyeshadow I'm gonna go in with is Orange Soda right here, and I'm just gonna pop that into the crease, and I'm gonna take my 217 brush, blend that. I'm just applying this in like a circular motion. The look I'm creating is a really easy look, like beginner friendly, I promise. So guys, I'm trying to set a schedule for my videos because obviously I want to upload more frequently and consistently for you guys, and I was thinking about posting videos on Wednesdays and Sundays. Let me know if that's a good day for you guys. But yeah, I was thinking about doing that. I was planning on doing that this week, but last week I didn't even get to film any videos whatsoever because the flu got me all the way sick. I tell you, like, I don't really get sick very often. I actually haven't gotten sick in like so many years, but my daughter was sick and, you know, she spread the germs. She spread the germs to me and I got sick too. So I was literally in my bed for like a whole entire week. Like, so sick. The second eyeshadow shade I'm going into is Burnt Orange, and I'm gonna pop that also into my crease. And this is such a great transition color. I really love these eyeshadows because they are so easy to blend. Next, I'm taking the eyeshadow Sienna. This is one of my favorite eyeshadows from Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's a really nice warm brown shade, and I'm going to use the brush from the palette. I really love the brushes that they have in their eyeshadow palette actually. They blend really nicely as well. So I'm just going to deepen up that crease just to make it look a little bit more defined. I'm gonna take this super dark brown eyeshadow shade, Cypress Umber, and I'm just gonna place this at the outer corner of my eyelid and just pop that into the crease as well. And I'm just gonna take my MAC 217 brush and just blend that. And I'm not really putting a lot of pressure on this brush, like literally like barely putting any pressure on it. I'm gonna go back into the palette and I'm grabbing one of my favorite eyeshadows in the palette. This one is Bronze. It's a really nice gold shimmer eyeshadow, and I'm just using a flat synthetic brush. This one is by MAC, I forgot the number, and I'm just gonna pop that right onto the eyelid. I'm gonna wet my brush just a little bit just to make the eyeshadow a lot more pigmented, so I'm just using some Fix Plus spray. You can use any setting spray to wet your brush. I'm gonna go back into the eyeshadow Sienna, and I'm just gonna pop that into the crease, and I'm using a 224 matte brush. This one's really thin, so it goes into my crease really easy. It's thin and worn out. So today I'm just gonna skip the wing liner and just add some mascara to my false these are not my false lashes, obviously not. These are my real lashes because they're so small. But I'm just, oh, there goes my phone. And I'm just gonna go ahead and pop some lashes on. These are the Ariel Demi wispies in 251. Okay, so we're gonna move on to the skin, and I'm not gonna make this video super long. I'm gonna try not to make this video super long and super detailed with the foundation, because I recently just posted my foundation routine and not much have changed. I'm using pretty much the same products, maybe adding something new, but yeah, I'm pretty much using the same products for my foundation routine. But the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna apply this product right here. This is by Ole Henriksen. Is that how you say it? I hope I said this correctly. And this is the Banana Bright Eye Cream. I love applying this before I apply my foundation. It just makes my under eyes look really nice, bright and smooth. I think I put on a little too much. Yeah, I put on a little bit too much. You don't really need to put on this much. And today I'm going to be using my Huda Beauty primer. Obviously I use this a lot. And I'm just going to apply this all over my face. And I'm just doing some color correcting. So I'm just going to blend that in with my foundation brush. And I'm going to go in with my current favorite foundation. This is the Nars Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. It's been giving me life lately. And I'm just going to apply it all over my face. Alright, so I'm currently obsessing over this concealer right here. This is the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind concealer. I freaking love this concealer so much, you guys. And the shade that I use is in Golden, so it's not like super light under the eyes, but you know, it still brightens up my under eyes. I really love this concealer. So Maybelline just added some new shades to their concealer collection finally, and I'm really happy about that because these shades are actually brown girl friendly. I've always wanted to try this concealer, but the shades that they had, they weren't really like, they were not working for my skin tone at all. But I'm glad they decided to add some new shades to this collection. I'm just gonna go in with my blending sponge and just blend. The sponge is from LA Girls, by the way. So I'm just gonna go in with some powder just to set and lock everything into place. The powder I'm using today is my Nye Luxury Powder in Banana. And I'm just gonna use a powder brush and apply it on my brush. I poured way too much powder because I'm not gonna use all of this. And I'm just gonna apply some of that powder under my eye as well. I'm not gonna be doing any baking today. No baking the face today. My skin is just way too dry for that right now, so gotta chill on the baking. And I'm just gonna go into some MAC Studio Fix powder in the shade NC45. Warm up my skin. Yes. Alright, so I quickly just did my brows up camera, and then I'm just going to go ahead and complete my bottom lash line. And I'm going to go back into the palette, and I'm going to grab the darkest eyeshadow in the palette, Cypress Umber. And I'm just going to run it along the bottom lash line with a, what do you call this brush? I think this is the MAC 2, I don't know what number this is. I'm just rubbing the eyeshadow along my bottom lash line and making that weird face. Now I'm going to take this really light gold shimmer shade, Fairy, and I'm just going to pop that at the inner corner of my eyes. And I'm using my 231 brush by Zoeva Cosmetics. And I'm just going to pull that along the bottom lash line as well. So now I'm just going to add a little, can't even talk. And I'm just going to add some mascara to my bottom lashes. The eye is completed. I'm just gonna go ahead and finish off my skin. I haven't even applied my bronzers yet. Today I'm gonna be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills bronzer. This one is in the shade Saddle. I've tried these already. I really like them so far. The one that I use, Saddle, it's a little bit has a little bit of a warm tone to it, but I don't mind the warmness, but I use it to contour my skin as well. So I'm just gonna go in with it's my Ray Ray's brush. I think this is the powder brush, I'm not sure, but I've been using her brushes a lot lately also. I really love her eyeshadow brushes too. And oh, okay, I was a little heavy-handed there, so I'm just gonna, oh yeah, just gonna pop that into the hollows of my cheeks. And also along my forehead area. Now I'm gonna take some highlighter to add some glow to my cheeks. Today I'm using Le Peach. This one is the Jackie Aina collaboration with Artist Couture. It's actually my very first time using this highlighter. I'm just gonna go in with my fan brush. Oh yes, honey child. Are you seeing that glow? Oh, this is really, really gorgeous, you guys. This glow is popping. I just realized that my camera was on the wrong setting the entire time I was filming, so the quality might look a little bit different throughout the video, so I apologize for that. But I'm gonna move on, and I'm just gonna apply some blush to my cheeks and just apply that onto the apples of my cheeks. And I'm using the same blush I use in probably every single video, the Anastasia Beverly Hills Radiant Blush Kit. I need to get a new blush. I mean, I love this one a lot, but I'm pretty sure you guys are tired of seeing me using this one. And now I'm gonna move on to the lips, and this look I already did it and posted on my Instagram and my Snapchat. The only difference is I'm gonna have to change the lip because the lippy that I was wearing on Instagram and Snapchat, it's no longer available, so I'm gonna have to find something else that is available because I don't want you guys getting mad at me, okay? So I'm gonna have to find something else. Now I'm gonna go in with some lip pencil and line my lips, and no, I'm not using cork lip pencil today. I'm using MAC Chestnut, so it's a little bit darker than cork. And for my lipstick today, I'm gonna be using the Fenty Beauty Up to No Good lipstick. I really, really love the Fenty Beauty lipsticks. They're really nice. I just feel like they're a little bit small. Like, can y'all put a little bit more product in this? So the lipstick shade right now is a little bit lighter than the look that I want to go for. So I'm going to add this one to it. This is Single, also by Fenty Beauty. And I'm just going to add a little gloss to the lips. I'm using my Fenty Glow Gloss. It is a ride or die product for me. Alright, I'm going to step off camera really, really quickly and just change my top and fix my hair. I'll be right back. And this is the completed look. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Give me a thumbs up if you do, and I'll see you guys in another video very, very soon. I love you guys. Bye.